Hi team, welcome to the presentation on quantum computing. Let's understand about what is quantum computing, what are the languages used in quantum computings, and how is it being applied in the real time now. Okay, in this presentation. Before we try to know about quantum computers, we try to know what is the difference between quantum and the classical computer. Why do we wanted to go for a quantum computer? So I can just give you an highlights about all the differences between the classical and the quantum in a high level. So in the classical, it is a large-scale integrated multipurpose computer. It stores the data in the form of a bit, and it has a logical gates using NOT and NOR, and its circuit behavior is something using classical physics, and it uses a binary codes in the form of a zeros and ones, and the operations of classical computers are the Boolean algebra, whereas in case of quantum computer, it has a high-speed parallel computers, which is based on quantum mechanics. It uses the information storage in the form of a quantum bit, and it uses a quantum logic for processing. It uses a qubits in the form of zeros and ones and both. Simultaneously, the operations of quantum computers are based on linear algebra. These are the major differences that we see between these two computers. Yes, what do you mean by quantum computer? Computer, it is actually, we can even say that computers that perform a quantum computations, which is known as a quantum computers. And this quantum computers uses a main two quantum mechanics such as superposition and entanglement. As well as you can also see this particular object here, which is an integrated quantum computing system, okay, which is housed into 9 by 9 by 9 feet airtight glass tube that properly maintains the environment variables. This is how the quantum computer looks like. So now let's see how do we try to use this quantum computers. So the main part of this quantum computer is we need to know how to interact. We use a language or framework called QuantumComputing, which is an open source quantum computing framework which is used to leverage today's quantum processes for our researchers and innovators in the enterprises. In addition to this, we all should also know the processing of this QuantumComputing, and this is the algorithm that we try to use to execute QuantumComputing, which we will discuss in depth of this in our GHCI conferences. Okay, awaiting to see this particular opportunity to share about this particular framework and executions about the quantum computers programs. Thank you.